Last class I teach dielectric at constant charge. I teach na? Remember all student? The last class I teach. This is one capacitor. This one capacitor. This positive plate. This negative plate. This upside one dielectric. This positive to this negative to this positive. Slowly, dielectric force come down. This condition charge is equal to constant. Charge is equal to constant. Is na? Q constant. Yes or no? Is na? Understand? Understand? Last class I discussed this topic.
Sir,
Tell
what
me.
is this volt constant, sir?
No. Last class I teach. This is charge constant. Today I discuss volt constant and other concepts. So today I discuss, write down. Topic name write down. Topic name write down. Dielectric with constant valve. Dielectric with constant voltage. Today I discuss voltage is constant. All should remember. First understand, again write down. Question, condition कि volt constant means, remember all कि this is capacitor. Outside 1 volt connection. Outside volt connected V. This positive charge. This is negative side of dielectric. One dielectric come this side, sir. Same phase, same cases. Up now this positive, so this negative, this positive, or slowly come this case. F is equal to, what is F? F is equal to which type force? Last class I teach, na? Check copy. Which type force?
Force of dielectric.
Force of dielectric, na? Force of dielectric, na? All you must understand. Force of dielectric, constant K. This case voltage constant. This case voltage constant. Write down. This case voltage constant. Voltage constant. This no problem. No? Board. Why close, sir? No sun, sir. To come this side. Sit this side. Now clear? Okay. Write down. Write down. Draw the diagram first. Voltage constant. Chair, give the chair. This chair, give me. Hey, you see this place? Sir? Okay, purchase nice chairs. Okay, write down. The first case, tell me, you, Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan, na? More time not seen. Online class time, all I should open the video. Minimum face remember, sir. I forget the face. This is not about the forget. I forget the face. Sometimes Vishal suddenly come. Hey, who? Sorry, Vishal sir. Open the mask. All I should open the video. Okay. Write down. First case. Initial capacitor. Hello. Hey. Initial capacitor CI. तो फाइनल कैपेसिटर व्हाट वैल्यू? इनिशियल कैपेसिटर C, तो फाइनल कैपेसिटर देखो, दिस डायरेक्टली कम दिस प्लेस ना. Remember always, not right. First wait, first understand. No, I not fastly. I'm slowly, so I teach that. Okay. First remember this rough. Okay. A starting dialect, a starting capacitor this K, sorry C, a starting capacitor C. After some time you put K, sir, means a starting capacitor C, I initial capacitor C. So C final capacitor, this come this side na. So K, understand? Means initial capacitor C, तो final capacitor KC. तो अब now your question कि after capacitor voltage constant के final capacitor increase के decrease? Increase K time increase. Two type question. First question only simply ask the question increase decrease. Second question K time increase, K time decrease, K 1 by K time increase या 1 by K time decrease. So always remember K time increase. Write down. Same topic. Next, second point, charge. Tell me, solve charge. You always should solve charge increase, decrease, K time increase. Solve.
Sir.
Tell me.
Which is first point, sir?
First point this C initial C, the C final KC.
Okay, sir.
Rafa? Tell me, charge what condition? Q initial. Charge is equal to what formula? Q is equal to CV, yes or no? Volume, volt constant. According to this condition, volt constant. Na? So charge fully depend. Understand? The capacitor, the charge final what value? K CV. So CV is equal to Q. The Q final is equal to K Q initial. Understand? Write down. Charge initial is equal to CV. Charge final is equal to K CV. CV is equal to charge initial. So charge final is equal to K. Understand? Karthik, understand?
Sir, all C capacitor, na, sir.
All C capacitor. Next point. Third point, write down. Sometime your question, you find the write condition. Next condition, write down. Charge flow through the battery. Charge flow through the battery. Write down. Charge flow through the battery. Means this rough na? Means Q final minus Q initial. Q final minus Q initial. Q final what value? K CV minus CV. Any common? CV. The what answer? K minus 1. So this is the flow of charge through the battery. Sometime ask the question, find the flow of charge through the battery. So CV bracket K minus 1. Understand? What problem? Next point, work done by the battery. Next point, work done by the battery. Work done by the battery. What work done formula? Tell me work done is equal to? No, this place, not kinematic side, sir. This side, work done is equal to? Correct. Confidence important, sir. You tell answer again, suddenly stop. That means wrong. Any question, ask the question. Your question work done. So work done is equal to? Work done is equal to? Tell me. E into D. No problem. E is equal to? In the charge of voltage, potential, because your voltage constant. What is relation between work done is equal to, not this, work done is equal to force into displacement. Force is equal to QE into displacement. Work done is equal to QE into displacement. Of E is equal to what formula in the term of voltage? VR. V by R. E is equal to dV by dr. So the work done is equal to Q V D into D. DD cancel. Understand? DD cancel. So work done is equal to Q initial, Q into V. Understand this line? Yes or no? Understand? Na? Work done is equal to Q into V. Up, rough, sir. Rough, now this stuff, sir. This is not important. Now diagram not important. Remember, for now understand. Work done is equal to Q into V. Q is equal to CV. The work done is equal to, tell me, CV square. Yes or no? Understand? So work done, total work done is equal to C initial what value? V constant, na? V constant. C initial what answer? C final. KC. C initial C. Any common? So work done is equal to CV square K minus 1. This remember, not this remember. Only remember the work done is equal to CV square K minus 1. This is not. But exam time, forget this formula. Then you start this. Exam time, forget this formula, start this side. But generally you remember objective question. Work done is equal to CV square bracket K minus 1. K minus 1. I give the 3 question. How many questions? Hand remove. You this you have. I give the 3 question. Same tomorrow starts. Where? After class finish, you go home. I show the copies. A very important question. That type question very important. Last class I discussed the question. Huh? Very important question, sir. Write down. Siddesh, complete. Next, energy. You understand why more absent you? The offline comes, sir. Rough. Understand? Karthik and Yuvasu ka online come per day, offline comes, sir, not online. Rough na. Next write down. Hello. Next write down energy. The energy initial is equal to, tell me, energy is equal to half CV square. Is na? This is stick na. Give the stick. Write down. Energy initial is equal to half CV square. Energy. Topic name energy. Tell me.
2 point energy, sir.
Energy. Energy initial is equal to half CV square. V what V? What is V? Volt. Volt what? This condition volt constant. So only change C. So C E final is equal to, tell me, half K C V square. The energy final minus energy initial is equal to, tell me, energy final minus energy initial, half C V square K minus 1. This is equal to, tell me, work done, means energy is equal to work done by 2. Understand this type of question? Work done given. Your question dielectric, something given, volt constant, work done is equal to 5 joule. The energy 5 by 2, 2.5 joule. Understand? So energy is equal to, change in energy is equal to work done by 2. This remember. Understand? I'm big, sir. I'm a slow teacher, no tension. Because topic today very less. Within half hour, all topic completes. Capacitor today completes. Enjoy. Lokesh, you write down. Karthik, rough. Okay. Understand? Na? Understand? 100% understand? Okay, this work done is known as work done by the battery, na? By the battery. So work done external. Work done by the battery is equal to half CV square something, sir. Sorry, CV square half K minus this. Work done by the battery. Sometime ask the question, work done external is equal to work done battery or work done external, total system. Understand? Energy is equal to, remember, wait, I rough this. So I told 100% understand. You told yes, sir. So I asked the question. This is battery. This is battery. Battery na? Battery na? This is capacitor. Yes or no? This is dielectric. This all things same. Voltage constant. So work done by the battery. Work done by the battery. Work done by the battery means. Work done by the battery means. Work done by Vishal means. Vishal only work done. Na? Other no. So charge go this place. So only this to this throw. Only this to this work done. Remaining work done external. Understand? I question ki one work done 10 joule. Work done by the Vishal 5 joule. The remaining where 5 joule? That is external. Logic catch, sir. Not yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understand? Na? What? So work done external. Tell me.
What is this, sir? Again, repeat it, sir.
So work done by the external. I know work done by the external is equal to work done by the external is equal to work done by the external is equal to what answer? Tell me. Always one tell me. Work done. Remember, energy is equal to half CV squared K minus 1. This is the energy. Work done is equal to CV squared K minus 1. Yes, sir. Half CV minus this what value? Half na. Understand? This consider total, consider P. Simply consider. So P by 2 minus P. What answer? minus P by 2. Yes or no? So work done, write down work done external is equal to minus 1 by 2 CVS square K minus 1. This is work done external. Understand? Work done by the battery is equal to CVS square K minus 1. Energy is equal to half CVS square K minus 1. But exam time ask the question ki work done external for this system. Work done external for this system. So answer minus half CVS square K minus 1. Understand this logic, sir. This remember. Write down Sanjay Venkatesh. Work done by the external is equal to work done external is equal to minus half CVS square K minus 1. Understand Venkatesh? Sanjay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
what understand? Explain me. What understand? Tell me.
Sir, work done external is minus work done, sir.
No, this formula, sir. No, minus. Okay. Next, write down. Electric field. Electric field. Tell me. Hinduja. Electric field variable ki constant. Variable to increase ki decrease what condition? Initial electric field 5 joule. I question initial electric field sum given. After dielectric voltage constant, electric field increase ki decrease? 100% increase. Decrease. The electric field is equal to V by D. V D. So electric field constant. Understand? Electric field is equal to V by D. V means voltage. This figure. Distance to constant. These two capacitor distance constant. Na? The voltage constant, distance constant. The electric field does not change. Understand? So write down electric field is equal to V by D. That means electric field constant. Electric field constant. Next, force between plate. Write down force between plate. Force between plate. Plate means this, na? Yes or no? This plate, na? Of this in between what force? In between what force?
Plate or plane, sir?
Plate. Force between plate. The force is equal to simple formula. Force is equal to Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught D na D square na. Yes or no? 4 pi epsilon naught. Yes or no? Yeah, simple. Wait 1 minute. This is equal to F is equal to Q square 4 pi D square epsilon naught. This is equal to area. This is equal to area. What value? F is equal to Q square A epsilon naught. A epsilon naught na. Yet or no? Up now Q is equal to Q final. Q initial. This force initial. Wait, no, bad behavior. Q, this is force initial. The force initial is equal to Q square by A epsilon naught. The force final is equal to Q initial. Q final, KQ na? KQ. The K square, Q final, Q initial square by A epsilon naught. Yes or no? This is equal to the force final is equal to K square force initial. Yes or no? Tell me.
Sir, K okay, sir, but how K square came, sir?
Come this side. Q initial is equal to Q. A Q final is equal to KQ. This place KQ put the KQ square na. K square Q square na, because Q square this place. Yes or no?
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay,
understand?
sir.
So what change? Force what change? Force what change? Increase. How many times? K square time increase. This is remember key voltage constant, force between plates increase K square times. Understand? This all forget, no problem. But this remember K. This remember ki force in final is equal to K square into force initial. What is force? The force is the between plate. Between plate. Rough. Next point write on all student. Next point write down non-uniform dielectric. Next point write down non-uniform dielectric. Non-uniform
Sir.
dielectric. Tell me.
After dielectric with constant voltage, now this, sir.
Yes, sir. Non-uniform. Non-uniform means not uniform, simple way. Understand? Means this type two type questions. Any exam, any book you start. So a two type question. Along x-axis, along two type question. Non-uniform means I question given कि dielectric K, dielectric 5, constant na. Non-uniform means dielectric depend any, tell me, any function. Means dielectric depend distance, time, any function. Means K is equal to given Kx. Dielectric given Kx. Yeah, K x square. Yeah, K 1 by x. Yeah, K t. Yeah, K anything, sir. So these all are cons, variable, non-uniform. अब ये क्वेश्चन k is equal to 2 something value, k is equal to 5 something value. So something value, that means constant, because not change. Constant means no change, no? 2 to 2, but this is change. So dielectric, any question given dielectric, non-uniform. So non-uniform, to understand, your question may be dielectric depend any function. You understand how to ask the question. Question non-uniform. Your mindset non-uniform. That means function. That means integration derivation. Understand? Any question non-uniform. That means you start integration and derivation. Understand? So any question this type, this method apply. So write down first along x-axis. First, along only two type question, along x-axis, along y-axis. Third, no. Third given to your bad luck. Along x-axis, along y-axis, along z, no given. Okay. So question this, first understand. This remember, what is this? Plate, na? Remember, this is plate, na? All you should remember, this is plate. Along x-axis, this is x, this is y. First understand. You consider capacitor. This consider capacitor. Sanjay, Venkatesh, online student, remember, you consider this capacitor. Plate, na? So this is x-axis. This is our actual figure, this, na? You diagram this. but this also picture na upside. Look, so your picture this. Remember all student. This is capacitor. This is capacitor. This is along x-axis. Understand? This is along y-axis. This capacitor distance d. This capacitor distance d. Understand? So actual capacitor. This no actual capacitor. This is actual capacitor. Your this. Yes or no? This na. This is plate. So this side also shape na upside. The actual capacitor your this. But this is known as plain plate capacitor, not another. But actual diagram this. अब this type question along x-axis means k given. K is equal to kx. K is equal to kx given. Understand? Otherwise k is equal to k function x given. Anyone? Function x, okay. Function x given. Now your question, find the equivalent capacitor. Find the equivalent capacitor. Any question this type, the first you take this point to this x, consider x distance total, but any one point consider x distance. This point consider that this is thickness. This is thickness. This x, so this is p, so this is dp. This is r, so this is, understand? This is l, so this is dl. In the form this. So your capacitor. Understand? Cannot understand? Venkat, what name? But no, understand? Clear? Understand? This is a square plate. Huh? Okay. So write down diagram. Write down first. This is also write down a square plate side A. Write down a square plate. A square plate side A. Side A. A square plate side A.
Sir, this is for x-axis, sir.
Along any this I don't condition one na, along what is x-axis, right? A square plate side A. A square plate side A. Diagram, right? Diagram, clear diagrams. Used to pen, no problem. Not you, UKG, LKG student. Pen, no pencil. अब tell me, which student? Venkatesh.
Sir, tell me, sir.
Diagram nice, na?
Now okay, sir. Now only clear, sir.
My diagram very good, na?
Okay, sir. Why, sir?
Okay. No, simply ask the question. A square plate side A. A square plate side A. Side B, side C, side D. Any question? But question this important. A K is equal to Kx. This important. Understand, Venkatesh, Trilokesh? Why you absent, mode absent?
Sir.
Sir. Tell me.
Sir, K is equal to Kfx, sir.
Kfx या K is equal to Kx. Anyone? Okay. Rough, sir. अब how to solve this type question? Hey, don't talk. How to solve this type question? Remember, your question find C equivalent. Your question easy question, within second you solve. Your question find C equivalent. So C equivalent is equal to integration dc. Only this capacitor integration. This only one capacitor, na? This also plain capacitor, na? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? This is a part of this total, na? So I integration only this part. Understand? Integration only this part. Upper limit, low limit given, upper limit, low limit. Upper low limit 0, upper limit a. So 0 to a integration. Sir. Understand? Any question this type? Not understand. Means your question find the equivalent capacitance. Karthikeyan, your question find the equivalent capacitance. So not total figure, only elementary form. The elementary form na. This elementary form integration. The C equivalent is equal to DC. Low limit 0, upper limit A, side A na. So 0 to A integration. Sir. Now remember, DC is equal to C is equal to, tell me. Hey, C is equal to C capacitor. C is equal to